Hey guys, got a new toy. I've been after this HSP for a while and had to order it from overseas because they didn't sell it in Australia. Sorry, it's not really like a proper unboxing, but it didn't come in a proper box. It didn't come in a HSP box. But it's supposed to be brand new and never used. Now, I was originally after this as a nitro, but then I found that it came in a brushless version. So, still gonna try and hunt down the nitro at some point to see if I can get it, but for now, I've got this one. And if you remember, I did build a brushless, so the reason behind this is I want to compare the one I made to the proper HSP brushlesses. So let's just have a look here, we'll see what this is. So 30C LiPo, and that is a 2S battery, so hopefully this will run a 3S battery. I'm not sure, I'll have to check the ESC and all that sort of stuff and see if it can. But yeah, so now this will be my second brushless RC car. It's just a Dean's connector, as is the one here that I built. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. It's a rally car, I don't have any rally cars. So we'll get this one charged up, we'll take it out, and we'll see how well this one goes in terms of speed, performance, and all that sort of good stuff compared to the one that I made. And yeah, we'll see, is it more viable to build one, or is it more viable to buy one? So, put us back on when we're driving it. Okay, just before we take it out for a run, just put some stickers on it. Found the sticker sheet in the box, so decided to put a few on there. I think it gives it a bit more personality. The body shell isn't actually the colour I wanted originally, but beggars can't be choosers, and I think this one actually looks fine. I'm sure it's going to grow on me tremendously. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job putting the stickers on there. They all look pretty even, straight and even as I could make them, as centered as I can make them too. But that's the thing, it's an RC car. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect, as long as I reckon it looks nice, and as long as I enjoy driving it. Let's take it out for a drive. HSP Kutiger Brushless first run. This one's a 2S. Let's see how it goes. Damn, that is fast.
Epic skids.
Whoa.
Saved it.
Alright, so that's on 2S, and this one is apparently 3S compatible, but I think that might be fast enough for this one. Alright. Pretty happy with it though.